Hey, let me show you how you can set up the Xiaomi Watch 2 with any Android smartphone. In this case, I'm using the Google Pixel 7 Pro. So first of all, we have to turn on our watch by holding this button. And after this, you will actually get this welcome screen. So we have to click on the language. In my case, that's actually English. And from this, we've got the information that we have to download Mi Fitness application on our phone. So let's do this. You will have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, then simply open the Google Play Store and you have to find this application, Mi Fitness with the Xiaomi Wear name. When you install this application on your smartphone, you will have to open it. Next, you will have to accept all of these permissions that will pop on your screen, and next go into the profile. From this, you have to log in into the Xiaomi account. You can log in with your Facebook account, Apple account, Google account, or for example, you can create a separate account for your email address. When you set up this application, then you have to go into the device. You have to now turn on the Bluetooth on your phone by clicking on the switcher, then click done. And now you have to select add the device. Then from the list, select the Xiaomi Watch 2, but if for some reason it's not visible, click to add the model, and from this list, select Xiaomi Watch 2. Then select it one more time. Now as you can see, we have to check the pairing code displayed on our device. It's right here, so we have to click pair. Now agree. And from this, we have to accept everything. So click I agree. From this, we have to synchronize everything. So click allow. Now just wait for this pairing process. Currently we are on the 25%. So right now our smartphone is actually sharing all of the data from our phone into the watch. As you can see right now, it is actually almost finished. Now it is actually getting the Google account information, and it is actually taking the information from the Google account that you are set up with the Play Store. So as you can see, that's how it looks in my case. So now I can choose this account, but also I can change it because I have multiple accounts on my device. So I can click to choose another account. I can scroll down and pick any other, for example, this one. Now I have to scan my fingerprint sensor or input my screen lock method if I don't have the fingerprint sensor on my phone. Now the watch is signing into my Google account. We've got information about the Google Assistant. Let's select your account and click to continue. Now we will select the account for the Google Assistant. So it looks like we'll be able to use the Google Assistant on this watch, but for example on the Xiaomi Watch S3, you can use Alexa. There's like no Google Assistant. Now click on the setup, but we can also click no thanks. So now we can decide if you want to use Google Assistant on this watch. In my case, I'm not gonna use it, so I'm gonna click no thanks. Now I have to set the pattern. You can pick the pin code or pattern. Let's maybe get the pin code. So now we have to create the 4-digit pin and confirm with the same one. And now input your screen lock. Click allow for all of the notifications. And then click done. And as you can see right now, it's finished. We are successfully connected. Right now, when you grab your watch, you can find the starting screen and you have to wait for all of this base tutorial things. So now you will be able to know how to swipe up, how to swipe down. You know, that's actually the first tutorial. In my case, I'm gonna skip because I already know how to use this device. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.